is Karey Wedemeyer. I am a fire captain. I didn't want to be a firefighter. I started working for the Forest Service as a firefighter for school money, and I loved it. And I've been with the city of Fresno about 28 years. Today, I made a meatless sandwich, which isn't popular in a fire station until they eat it. Today I use portobello's king oyster and shiitake mushrooms. I have a balsamic glaze, and I glaze them over, kind of caramelize them on the mushrooms. We're gonna cook these till they're soft. And then I'm gonna start preparing my ciabatta bread. So ciabatta bread just works really well with this sandwich because it kind of soaks in the flavor. And now that these have been browned, I'm gonna add Russian dressing. It's mayo, sriracha sauce, Worcestershire sauce, and horseradish. So it's pretty spicy. I did preheat the oven, so I'm gonna let these melt the cheese in the oven. When you come into the fire service, you need to have recipes. I did not know how to cook. I was a single person who didn't eat meat. I struggled, I'll be honest with you, and it's probably one of the scariest parts of my career. When I work with Mark, he is a phenomenal cook, chef. He actually kind of took me under his wing and taught me recipes. It was actually like cooking school for the years that I worked with him, which was really helpful. I've actually become a decent cook.